If you want to make your phone as smooth as an iPhone, then follow these steps. But before starting the video, you must subscribe to our channel so you won't miss our future updates. So let's begin. Here, first of all, you have to open mobile settings and then go to additional settings and then the developer options. To get the developer options, you have to go back and then the about phone. You have to find MIUI version, then click on the MIUI version about 7 times and then go back and the additional settings. Here you can see the developer options. Turn on developer options, say OK, then go below and find the drawing section. Now set the window scale to 1.5 or 2 and do the same with transition and animator scale. If you are not satisfied still, then go back to the options and set all of them into 2. Now your smartphone would start working smoothly. If you like the video, then hit like and subscribe button. We will see you in the next video. Stay happy and stay safe, guys.
कर दो यार, तुम्हारे पैसे थोड़ी ना कट रहे, कर दो।